For over 20 years, AEI Paint Booths has been a leader in designing and manufacturing industrial paint booths tailored to meet the unique demands of various industries. With a strong presence across North America, we provide high-quality solutions for automotive, aerospace, heavy equipment, and large-scale manufacturing. Our expertise ensures that each booth is engineered for efficiency, safety, and compliance with NFPA and OSHA standards. We offer a wide range of industrial paint booths, from standard models to fully customized enclosures designed to integrate seamlessly with material handling systems. Whether you require cross-draft, downdraft, or a specialized airflow system, our solutions enhance productivity while maintaining cost-effective operations. Our advanced features, including automated pressure balancing and energy-efficient air makeup units, deliver unparalleled performance. Trust AEI Paint Booths to provide innovative, high-quality industrial paint booths that optimize workflow and finishing quality. Contact us today to find the perfect solution for your production needs by visiting AEIPaintBooths.com or call 800-348-1097.